In late May, Title 42 is set to be repealed. That policy allows the government to turn back immigrants trying to enter the country, all under the guidelines of a public health emergency like COVID. Governor Greg Abbott announced more border security measures after the Biden administration said it'll end Title 42 in May. News West 9 spoke with State Representative Landgraf and has more.
Yeah, Crystal, Representative Landgraf believes that when the repeal goes into effect, it will affect the state in more ways than one. Big changes at the border coming next month.
By the Biden administration's own estimates, it could lead to as many as 18,000, an increase in 18,000 migrant crossings each day, which is a lot in and of itself, but that can constitute up to about 500,000 per year. And we in Texas need to have a plan for how we're going to handle that and respond to it.
Governor Abbott announced last week Texas would start busing migrants to the U.S. Capitol on a voluntary basis as a way to give relief to local officials.
The state needs to help our communities to be able to deal with this influx. Other policies that have to do with vehicle inspections, I think that's a good idea, but we also need to balance that inspection process with making sure that we have, the streams of commerce still open across the border.
The Texas Department of Public Safety will enhance safety inspections on trailers as they cross points of entry into Texas. These state-conducted inspections would be performed in addition to inspections already performed by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection.
So having the Texas Department of Public Safety play a role in that process to make sure that we have safe highways, and if that also puts extra eyes on the border security front, I think that's a good thing.
Overall, Representative Landgraf believes the measures in the state are put in place with safety in mind.
Since January of 2021, under the Biden administration, the state of Texas hasn't gotten the help from the federal government that we have been accustomed to, but we don't want drugs coming into the community. We don't want human trafficking, sex trafficking coming through Texas. And so if we have to step up and do it ourselves, that's what we're doing, and I'm committed to doing that.
Title 42 was implemented at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Trump administration claimed it was to help prevent the spread of COVID across the border. Again, the order will end on May 23rd. Crystal?